and welcome to this session. Galvanic treatment uses a low-level electric current to stimulate the skin, reduce wrinkles, lift sagging skin, and improve skin tone.
Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to describe galvanic facial device and its functions, list the applications of galvanic facial device, and demonstrate facial using galvanic device. A galvanic facial device is a beauty tool that uses a low-level electrical current to help improve the skin's appearance. This device typically has two metal probes, one positively charged and one negatively charged, which are used to conduct the electric current through the skin. This device works in two phases: disincrustation, iontophoresis. In the disincrustation phase, the negatively charged probe is used to apply a deep cleansing solution or gel to the skin. The electric current helps to loosen and break down impurities and debris within the pores, making it easier to extract them from the skin. During the iontophoresis phase, the positively charged probe is used to apply a nutrient-rich serum or other skincare product to the skin. The electric current helps to push the product deeper into the skin, where it can be absorbed more effectively and provide more benefits. The galvanic facial device can also help to stimulate blood flow, which can improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. Applications of galvanic treatment. Let's now look at the applications of galvanic treatment. This treatment is beneficial for various skin types, but it is more effective for skin conditions such as oily skin, congested skin, acne-prone skin, dehydrated skin, and aging skin. Even though galvanic treatment is safe and suitable for most skin types, you should not recommend this treatment for clients having conditions such as sensitive skin, rosacea, broken or damaged skin, metal implants or devices, and pregnancy. If your client shows signs of any of these conditions, do not proceed with the treatment. Begin by conducting a thorough consultation with the client to assess their skin type, concerns, and any contraindications they may have. This step will help you customize the treatment according to their specific needs and ensure their safety during the process. Obtain the client's informed consent for the galvanic device treatment. Provide them with information about potential benefits, risks, and any post-treatment care instructions. Address any questions or concerns they may have. Have them sign a consent form. Before you perform the galvanic treatment on your client, make sure you sanitize the device with a disinfectant wipe to prevent infections. You must also wash your hands with soap and water. Ensure that the client feels comfortable before the procedure. Explain the process and sensations the client may experience during the galvanic treatment. Inform them about the low-level electrical currents and the tingling or warming sensations they may feel. Ask the client to remove any jewelry or metallic objects from the treatment area, as these can interfere with the galvanic current and may cause discomfort or skin reactions. Drape the client with a salon gown and make the client lie comfortably on the facial bed. Then, place headband around the client's hairline. After this, you can start the procedure. Steps involved in galvanic treatment. Let's now look at how galvanic treatment is performed on the client. This procedure involves 5 basic steps. They are: Step 1. Cleanse the skin. Step 2. Apply acidic solution to the skin. Step 3. Apply alkaline solution to the skin. Step 4. Penetrate skincare products to the skin. Step 5. Apply serum or moisturizer to soothe the skin. Begin by cleansing the client's face with cleansing milk to remove any makeup, oil, or debris. This step is crucial to allow the galvanic current to penetrate the skin effectively. Rinse the face with facial sponge soaked in warm water and apply a gentle cleanser to the skin. Use your fingertips to massage the cleanser onto the skin in a circular motion and rinse it off. If appropriate for the client's skin type and condition, consider exfoliating the skin to remove dead skin cells and promote better product penetration. Rinse the face with warm water and pat dry. Before using the galvanic device, ensure that the client's skin is thoroughly cleansed. The acidic solution breaks down skin oil, clears the follicles, and extracts any skin impurities. Choose an acidic solution specifically formulated for use with galvanic devices. Ensure that the chosen solution is suitable for the client's skin type. Before applying the acidic solution to the entire face, perform a patch test on a small area of the client's skin, typically on the inner arm or behind the ear. Take a small amount of acidic solution and apply a thin, even layer to the client's face and neck using a brush. Next, apply a conductive alkaline gel to the skin. These gels help to enhance the conductivity of the galvanic current, allowing it to penetrate deeper into the skin. Choose an alkaline solution specifically formulated for use in galvanic facial treatments. Ensure that the chosen solution is suitable for the client's skin type. Take a small amount of the alkaline solution and apply it evenly to the treatment area using a cotton pad or brush. Avoid the delicate eye and lip areas. This step is known as iontophoresis. Turn on the galvanic device and ask the client to hold the negative probe. Gently massage the skin with the positive charge probe in an upward and outward motion. Start from the neck and work your way up to the forehead, focusing on one area at a time. Avoid sensitive areas such as the eyes and the lips. Ensure that the treatment is performed with consistent pressure and smooth movements. This improves the penetration of skincare products applied to the skin. Continue massaging the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Throughout the treatment, regularly communicate with your client to ensure their comfort. They should feel a mild tingling or slight sensation from the galvanic current. Here's a tip. If the gel dries out during the treatment, add a little water to the skin to keep the device moving smoothly. Turn off the galvanic device and remove any gel residue with a facial sponge. After this, pat dry the area with facial tissue. Then apply facial lotion with a cotton pad. You can apply additional skincare products such as serum or moisturizer. This will leave the skin hydrated and smooth.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned galvanic facial device and its functions, application of galvanic facial device, and procedure of facial using galvanic device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.